So that oscillating motion that I'm doing is called vibrato, and we're not going to start working on vibrato right now. That'll be sometime in the future when we're also shifting into the positions. However, with my private students, I like to sneak in a couple of pre-vibrato exercises pretty early in their training. One of the most useful pre-vibrato exercises we can do is a tapping exercise that's kind of like Morse code. Morse code is a communication method that can use tones, lights, or clicks. So here's what I'd like to do for our pre-vibrato exercise. I want to take all 4 of my fingers and I want to tap on the body of my violin an SOS call. Dot 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 dot. Okay? And I also want to do that on the other side of my fingerboard. Another way to go about this exercise is by tapping short phrases or name rhythms. For instance, I could try out ya, sha, hyphens, ya, sha, hyphens, or Antonio Stradivarius, Antonio Stradivarius. Finding a tapping motion that comes from the hand will be somewhat critical in developing a beautiful hand and wrist vibrato a little bit later on in your study.